Today I'm going to show you how I built this rain barrel using this plastic drum. I really like using this kind of drum because how the top is, it's really easy for rain collection. You can see it just consists of some holes drilled in the top and a screen. This outer ring screws on and off, and on the inside there's a pan that sits inside the tub or inside the drum. I drilled holes in this little pan. You could drill as many holes as you want. I just drilled 5. Pan sits inside the tub or inside the drum. I cut some screen to sit inside that. That stops any mosquitoes getting in or debris getting into the water. And then when that outer ring screws on, it holds everything in place. And that's as easy as the top needs to be. There's nothing else you need to do. Next, we're going to drill 1.25 inch hole kind of towards the bottom of the drum. I'm going to use a tank fitting for a perfect seal in that hole. You can see it kind of has this little bolt section with a hole in the middle and then a nut on the other side. And there's a little gasket that makes this watertight. This is what the faucet is going to screw into, and I used this boiler drain valve. Here's a look from the inside of the bucket or the barrel. It's all screwed in tight, and on the outside you can see the faucet screwed into that little tank fitting. And that's it. For my purpose, I don't need an overflow valve or an overflow. You could put one at the top if you wanted to, but this is in the backyard. Any overflow will just come out the top and drain into the yard.